Good morning, everyone! Happy FOMC Day! Welcome, everyone, to today's New York live session, 3rd of November 2021. My name is Eivindfx, Forex trader, now also head analyst here. So, sure. How's it going, mate? Let's go to dollar, let's go to stock market, let's go to S&P, let's go to Nasdaq, let's go to US 30, let's go to the yen pairs, let's go to all the indices in this world, and let's see if we can make some analysis, some fast analysis, because we're also going to be live tonight for the FOMC. I have some plans coming out there. Should you be monetarily happy being there? Maybe, maybe not, maybe. Either through my account or your account. Who knows? Who's gonna be? Who's the one that needs to retract their money from their account? Who knows? Let's go through the dollar pairs, yen pairs, gold pairs, whatever pairs we are supposed to go through today. So let's start out with the mighty dollar index. We have so far a range, shocker, and we have some kind of bullish trend within the DXY, some kind of bullishness, some kind of bullish candle. After some red candles, so we shall see if this is now going to go higher today. I also believe that we are on track. I would say we are on track. 10-year T-note is currently falling, and that would means that gold has something to do with it. Oh my lordy! Oh my lordy! What is going on here? Gold is falling. Did I forecast that? Well, I mentioned that is the bias that I have. If it went higher, but I would have said that. Well, stop losses is there for a reason. Did it come up to 1800? No, it did not come up to 1800. So, and I know Ollie sold that thing. So whatever happened there, Ollie, you are sole responsibility for your trades there. So yeah, congratulations, mate. Forgot to tie my shirt. Sorry about that. So the next thing here is what is going to happen tonight on gold? What is going to happen tonight on gold? I have already raised my concerns. I guess you all understand that. But so far it's a red candle. So far it's a red candle. So I think that is at least what we can say for now. Whatever I'm going to talk about today is only my personal opinion. And I believe gold is still going to go lower. So if you are coming here today and you're looking into like Nasdaq is parabolic going into the FOMC meeting. We made a double bottom here in October. Now we're just gonna boom. S&P 500, another one that is just rising. So this was my theory for this week. This is yen weakness. We'll go through that. Gold falling is already happening. CAD rising, not so much. Dollar pausing, that was correct. Pound falling, that was correct. Stock market rising, that was correct. So that is correct. That is correct. That is, I don't know how to check. Correct. Ciao. Oh, you can't see it behind my face even. Sorry, mate. So that was a good day, wasn't it? That was a good day. A good week yet again. Risk on but uncertain. Yeah, maybe. And then yen weakness. We're supposed to check yen weakness, by the way. And JPY. Tja, it's not bullish at least. So currently we're just falling here. In a range. So that's pretty sleek. The other thing is yeah, that's funny. Just looking through my... Yeah, there was some emails coming in. Anyways, so sure. There's a red candle on the 4-hour chart at least, but nothing really majorly happening on the yen pairs at the moment. Aussie. is falling by itself. Pound is rising by itself. Euro is range bound by itself. Yen is range bound by itself. Canadian is weaker. And I said yesterday to the mentorship, not mentorship, to the daily setups people, that this cannot be touched today. I think that CAD yen should be left alone a long time ago. Because we have not risen about 92.50, so until we have risen about some kind of bullish day, some kind of bullish market, we can't trade CAD yen to the lower side. Welcome, Alexander. Welcome, Michael. Welcome, Divine. Welcome, Beast. Welcome, Shuran. Welcome, Alex. Welcome, Ali. Welcome, Abbas. And welcome, Michael. Michael says, what about a pound? Is it going to fall? That is kind of what I'm expecting at the moment. But do remember, first of all, since you are a part of the great community, I'm going to tell you that we are almost hitting the weekly target already, and that was pretty early. The other thing is that we have the BOE meeting tomorrow, so I don't know if that was the fall this week. We are yet to see. But if you are thinking of selling this one, you probably still have permission, still bearish. But this green candle here is, I am quite surprised for pound to fall, by the way. So is it going to continue falling? That is what I'm hoping for, by the way. That is what I'm hoping for. So if you're thinking that this should be going higher, you still don't have technical analysis with you. You have a market pricing in 1% interest rate at the moment on into the future in a pound. That is way above what the Bank of England thinks. So maybe this is kind of a readjustment of that. But I believe that we can fall tomorrow. I think we can fall tomorrow. So I just don't know where we're going to fall to. All right. So if we can go further down, yes, sir. That's going to be a high interest, high volatility event more than anything else. So what are you expecting for pound? Generally speaking, for pound, you're expecting bullishness. What are you expecting for dollar? You're expecting bullishness, generally speaking. I want bearishness in the end. The other thing then is it currently bullish? Is pound currently bullish? Not at all, not at all. So if you're a buyer, you need to wait. If you're a seller, well, you still have probable cause to find this one to go. Michael says, good morning, everyone, and afternoon, everybody else. Yeah, good morning to you too. So the reason why we are live here right now and not an hour ago was because somebody booked a Zoom meeting with me, and I honor that always. So I think it was great to push it out an hour. Hope you guys are having a good one. Any tips on your prediction accuracy? You want to tip me, or you want to learn how to be accurate as me? If you want to be accurate at all about anything at all, you need to get knowledge. You need to try. You need to fail. You need to predict. You need to understand that you're wrong most of the times, and sometimes you're just gonna get better. There is some tools and tricks out there that will make you better at this. There is some tools out there, but when you see these markets happening again and again and again and again and again and again, you're wondering like, it's a beautiful symphony, isn't it? And sometimes it's just messy, like a pig show. So it can go both ways, I would say. It can go both ways. This was a very messy reversal, by the way. Lost money there, but now it's just a symphony. So it's more about understanding where we are on the market, what day of the year is it, what day of the month is it, what are we expecting of this time of year, and go back, recharge, read charts, and see if you can get some trade patterns out there, some resemblance, something. You are in an Aussie dollar sell at 74.43, and you just tipped the market. Congratulations, my brother Michael. Good on you. Boom. Well, I don't know if that's going to be the highest high today, though, but so far at least. What else should we be looking into? How to be accurate as me. Seasonality, experience, as in trying to predict. Trying to get some kind of patterns into your brain that you always want to see. I would also say that you need to be systematic about it in a way where you don't compare May to June, June to July, and that market conditions, but you compare month to month, over year basis, and you also compare season towards season and what you expect during a specific season. And then on top of that, you need to have fundamental analysis and what do you think the Fed is going to do for the future, and how the market is going to price that in, because the Fed needs the market to price in what they want them to do. What about that one? Think about that, eh? So, Euro New Zealand. Since nobody asked for anything else, since nobody asked for their trading pair today, I think that should come natural. I think I'm bothering you about that every single freaking day. So, I'm just going to take the lead since somebody took the lead. And I can say that this was today's buy zone. Congratulations and celebrations. So this is a new higher high, I would say, on New Zealand. This is a lower low. This is a higher high. If you are a seller, you now need to have a lower low before anything else at all. If you're a buyer, you're thinking, well, can this be a reversal? Who knows if it's going to be a reversal? But I think it's going to be a reversal. So there you go, mate. And the 4 hour and the 4 hour 21.55 are about to cross, haven't crossed yet. But if this one goes higher, yes, sure they do. Divine says, can you go through all of the pairs on the watch list for this week? Yeah, is there any one markets that I was expecting this week? So first of all, if you go through, I was wrong. Compared to my monthly trades, where are we right now? Monthly wise, I expect dollar to weaken, but I'm not blind, that currently we are in a bearish move. We seasonality wise have a bearish move on the Aussie and the pound for November. So there's two ways to roam here. Either we go up from here, that would be interesting. The other way for roam is going up from here, and the third roam is going up from here. And that, if it goes down here, it's probably going to be in December. So there is a lot of room in between the high today and the low yesterday to come up later on with a pullback to sell again. So that is kind of the update there, where we have fallen this week and we still haven't got what we wanted to be a buyer on this asset. So yeah, that is one. Euro dollar, I think I sold that. I think I made that one to be bearish. Oops, that was a wrong place to show it, so it doesn't show. Come on, I mean. Planning for November on euro. Yeah, okay, I did say we should go up from 15.45. So that trading plan is 30 pips in profit at the moment. But yeah, it looks ugly at the moment. So yeah, that was kind of from here. Sorry, take that away. It was kind of from here to here kind of a thing. But Sure. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Do. So for euro at this moment, we are seeing a range-bound market. The market is not decided of where it wants to go. The market is saying to me that stop. That was me trying to be the what do you call the school, the parent that makes the school children walk across the zebra crossing without getting hurt, kind of thing. So euro dollar is currently falling. At least in this already candle. I think that is okay. I think that is probably going to happen in the end. So there was a sell today, if you're wondering, on this peak here. It's not a great trade. It's a pretty pathetic bad trade, but it gets you in the game, I guess. And then we shall see if it's if it works out. So that is the perfect M3 sell on the dailies. Euro USD, please. I'm currently doing it, Gunai. I think that is collectively okay to do that right now. Oops, I think that was the wrong one. The other one to look into is pound. I think pound was coming up to this resistance here. That's a good sell. This is also a good sell. So any of those. Any other deeper pullbacks? Sure. But we have BOE tomorrow, so I don't know if that's something that you're interested in. But those are technically the two prices I would have said. Well, congratulations, mate. That is plan B, by the way. I don't like it, but it's a plan B one. USD yen. Alright. So, how do I train you to be a better Forex trader? How do I train you to be a better investor out there? First of all, I would say hang out with me for quite a while. The next one is if you know what I'm going to say next, you probably have spent too much time with me. But what I'm going to say is if you feel stressed today, if you feel overwhelmed, if you feel nervous today, take the day off. I am allowing you to take the day off today as your boss, as your leader. I want you to have clear health. I want you to spend time with your family. I want you to see them. I want you to hug them and kiss them and say, I love you. I love you. If you have a loving family. Not everyone was blessed with that. Or go to someone else that is showing love to you. Show love to them. Make the world a better place. Today might not be the day you're supposed to be trading. The reason why I say that, if you are nervous, if you are anxious about today, in a negative way, every top performer is anxious, but it's a positive anxious. It's like you're excited, you are nervous, you are wondering how this is gonna go. You know what to look for. You are super focused, okay? I want to hold tomorrow. I do not want to see anyone coming to me tomorrow and say, Eivind, I blew my account. Nobody is coming to me tomorrow and say they're going to blew their account. At least not those who are in here today. Okay? Thank you. Let me go on. USDN is probably one of the better trades as of today. And bullish is what I hope for in the end. It is technically not bullish at the moment. And I would say 1440. A break above that would be great. A break above 1400. I don't know if you can buy it in the middle of the slaughterhouse, but I think this one's gonna go higher. If there's any move at all on yen, I think USD yen, I think it's gonna go higher. Michael says, so what's the target, mate? I can't remember what the target is even. It's kind of my bad. Yeah, 1650. 1650 is the target. Cool. So yeah, that's great. The other thing to mention here is to mention nat gas is going higher, pound is going a bit higher, pound is kind of falling back, euro yen, Aussie yen, silver. Ooh, okay, we gotta move. We gotta move. Silver. Damn. Sorry, it didn't come up to my sell price, but I guess it is what it is. So yeah, sorry, it didn't come up to my sell price. Direction was right though, if that makes me a legend. Yeah, Hardik. Where did Hardik go? Hardik did something yesterday that was I really just loved. Right, there is. Hardik said yesterday that I'm a legend. On this chart here yesterday, he says a legend. I'm gonna celebrate you on my live stream, bro. I'm gonna give you a heart, and I'm gonna say, I appreciate it so much. All the love in the world, bro. I don't know if I spelled it right though, but I guess it is what it is. I guess. Love me with all the what do you call it? With all the defects that I have in my life, and English is not the first one. It's not the first good part about me. The next thing is gold, eh? What does it mean that I'm a head analyst right now? I have more to do. I get more to do. So I am less available and less sleep, I guess. But nothing for you guys. It doesn't mean change anything for you guys. What it might do though, it depends if you are in the A1 trading Discord community. Then it will be a big change for you. Because I will have like a coaching calls in there, so it will be a different content. And we had one today. It went Wukor. I lost internet for 20 minutes. And all of a sudden I got it back, and I have paid my internet bill. So yeah, that was great. So I don't know if I'm cursed here in Kenya or whatever, but I lose internet and power more often than I change my t-shirt. So I don't know what's going on. Hello, Randall. How are ya? Are you good? But yeah. So yeah, gold is falling. Okay, cool. I guess Ali has sold it for anything else. And then you have sold. You have sold US30 cash. You are bold. You are bold, my friend. You are bold. If you win this one, Michael, I don't know what I will do about you. I don't know what I will do. Yesterday, cola was costing 1 shilling at Carrefour. I can give you a cola. Or a cake. I can give you a cake. Cinnamon buns, by the way. I made cinnamon buns yesterday. For those who doesn't know what that is. Okay, that's not mine. I'm gonna serve you mine, by the way. Public, off topic. So, are you interested in this one, mister? Let's see if I can move that one over there. That one over there. Are you interested in this one, Michael? That looks nice, doesn't it? Oh, there was the wrong one. This one. Sorry. With custard even. Okay. So yeah, that's what I had to offer. They are amazing, by the way. They are amazing. So if you are here for Forex, let's go back to Forex or trading. I'm a bit weird. Do you know why dollar index market is locked in MT5? Selva? I don't know. The dollar index is per se not an asset to be traded. I don't think it's a publicly traded asset. It's basically just an index, and you're supposed to trade the dollar index through other assets than the dollar index itself. It's not. Yeah. So my answer to that is it's not a public traded asset. So yeah, I think that is my answer there. Bitcoin. What is happening to Bitcoin? Yeah, okay, falling a bit. Went down to the buy price I wanted it to go down to. So yeah, have fun, bro. That was fun. That was a fun ride at least. So Aussie, falling a bit today ish. Can go higher before falling. Euro currently falling. Can go a bit higher before falling. Pound, falling ish. Pound yen can go a bit higher before falling. I see potentially at least this level here before falling. Oops, that was wrong. Like that. Cool, I guess. New Zealand dollar has maybe reached its potential pullback. At least the first pullback I would take, and probably the other one up there. U dollar CAD. Ooh. We have a breakout. We have a breakout on USD CAD. Oh, that got me excited. Aye. Okay. I didn't know that, SlayFX. I didn't know that. But yeah. We have a breakout on USD CAD. Ooh, damn. That's the most excitement you're getting out of a Norwegian ever. Does anyone I know it's me though, but where is it? Has anyone seen that plant? That's not my plant, that's my wife's plant. So is there like a what do you call it? Is there like a, yeah, there you go. It looks a bit sad, but that's how it is supposed to be apparently. But yeah, so I got now a much more warmer straight setup today, yes, so I can, you know. And then you need some flowers, and then you need some lights, and then you need some yeah, we need some snapping emote. I needed to look at the XY move, but it doesn't work, so I'm using TradingView. No biggie. Yeah, you need to. Yeah, and it doesn't give me why. It doesn't make me high though, so it's not that kind of a plant though. But yeah, I guess it is what it is. Yen pair still subdued, not really entries. CAD yen still subdued, no entries here either. Euro yen range, not bearish. New Zealand yen bearish, having a pullback up to at least 181.50. USD yen still not bullish, I guess. It's kind of range, but I'm expecting it to go higher. NOK yen is falling. I think that was buy the rumor, sell the news kind of scenario again. Yeah, I guess that's that. Can we look at like Facebook or something? Because someone was interested in like Facebook or Tesla or something. Because I want to see, because that's technology. Ooh, damn. Yeah, that's a great one. I told you stocks goes up in October and November, by the way. So just telling you. Is it called Meta now, I guess, instead? Is it called Meta? Surely? Meta platforms. They're actually called Meta platforms now. Unbelievable. Yeah, that's not a good trend, is it? That's just still not there. Apple. Is there anything else I want to buy here? Bank of America. Apple still seems to be a good one. I was a good one in October, by the way. But yeah, so the first one to fall when there's increasing interest rates is definitely tech stocks. Who is gonna benefit for the new world? The new world is gonna be bank stocks is probably mostly gonna go higher. So buckle up, people. Buckle up. I'm just wondering if tech stock still has the last hooray before rising, no, before falling. But yeah, and they're gonna fall on increase in interest rates. USD Swissy is currently bearish. I would expect this one to rise. So I want the higher high, higher low situation. We don't have that at the moment. But yeah, today, this morning, there was a sell at 9 a.m. candle, as I always say in a bearish trend. So yeah, good on you, bro. Good on you. Harold! Harold! My grandpa is in the town. What was it yesterday, bro, that you hadn't heard about? It wasn't JoJo, it was something else. Any trading plan for this week? I can go through my trading plans for this week. Already locked in and loaded, boss. What are you locked in on, Abbas? Pound cat. Yeah. Pound cat. I guess that's a buy sometimes. US30 is still going my way. Yeah. So I will give you a cinnamon bun as a congratulations if you ever come to Kenya. I will keep it in the fridge. I bought a new fridge now. That is, what was it, 490 liters or something? It is humongous. Two-door situation there. Freezer on top. Don't need more than that. But 400 and massive 90 liters. I feel like I'm an American now. In Norway, we are very, very modest. We don't have too much, we don't have big fridges and big TVs. And we are modest people. To have like this humongous fridge. And I think we went from like, I don't know if it was 50 or 70 or 100 liters to 490. It doesn't fit in the kitchen anymore. Post right in Telegram. Oh yeah. I know you're doing that, bro. But yeah. So what is your prayer plan, bro? I just jumped over it. Selling EURUSD at 16.58. Okay, I guess. Yeah. So that was the high here. I love that one. Pound cat. That's a bullish, by the way. Probably bullish. GU sells to top at 136.80 for pound cat. Pound dollar, sorry. Jesus. That was it wasn't as good as. It was a bit high, bro. That was a bit high. So you should have put your entry a bit lower, but okay. Yeah, I guess I can show that to everyone. What this Picasso dude is doing. 1686. So for everyone can send their charts to me and I will look at them. So nobody does it. Apparently just Abbas. 3681. Price went to 3664. So not quite there. The other one was sell EURUSD at 16.58, and we got there. So that's a good one. Minor bearish scalp trend. Cool. Love it. Is there anything else you want us to look into there? No, I don't think that's everything that you posted. What's that, bro? Who's that one? That is still ours. But that is 42. That is Bitcoin, I think, maybe. Yeah. So cool. Good. You're coming back in the summer. That's a half a year from now, bro. Yeah, that's a long time. I can't guarantee it's not rotten until that time, but yeah. Ja da, flott. Fantastic. Eh? Fantastic. Hello, Xavier. Happy to have you here. Happy life, happy wife. Good. That's what she said, at least. I've been dying to say that all day. Gold. Who asked for gold? It was Godfrey Getunga. Godfrey Getunga. I think that what is happening right now is, if you were to sell it, you should have sold it, but I wouldn't have sold it anyways. But yeah, so that was kind of the area you were thinking of. Now it's making a low. and now we're coming into FOMC, I am gonna be far away. If this was in some part of my house, I'm gonna put that to the east wall, and I'm gonna run to the west wall just to not look at it. And are we gonna focus on gold tonight on the FOMC? Absolutely. I am going to be live on FOMC today. So please, for the love of your trading career, please make sure that you have subscribed to this channel so that you get notification. And remember to put that notification bell there as well. Let's go to Nick. I guess it's over now because people came here instead. And you go there and you click on this bell thing and you click all. Amazing. Bada bing, bada boom. On my YouTube channel, so that you get notified. I think I will be live like half an hour before the statement, or like, I don't know, something before the statement, and then we're gonna listen to what Jeremy Powell says. And I believe if I still have 2 feet and I'm still awake by tonight, I am gonna make a video, 10-minute video, regarding what Jeremy Powell said and my comments about that. That I hope that you will listen to and read into a summary, 10 minutes summary, and sure, more fundamental. That's kind of like more my first fundamental analysis news video. So maybe that's something that you are looking into. Falco says, do you have a mentor? Nope. So if you want to get a notification, I think maybe Telegram is probably apparently the best place that actually tells you, that gives you a notification. So here's the Telegram link if you want to. There you go. I don't know if you care, but here it is. Might as well give it up. Thumbs up if you're still here. So yeah, that's 24 people out of 46 people. Good. Denise says, hello. Yeah, cool. There we go. Next one is Goldie. Well, did Goldie, mister. Alex Berg. Here we are. Mentorship student. Just recently joined. And this guy is gonna get his... He's gonna be a fantastic trader, by the way. Alex Berg is gonna be a fantastic trader. So, sure, dude. I'm gonna do my best. You're Aussie. That was a fantastic trade, by the way. And all of a sudden I get all these notifications and I just need to take them away. Hide all, thank you. Wrong chat. Okay, maybe. I don't know if that makes sense. Cool. Gold! Good day, mate. Yes. Yandembram. So your Aussie is a buy at the moment. Cool. Fun. What price did we say yesterday should come down to? Daily? Had it gone down to the daily central today? Oh, no it didn't. Sorry, it didn't. Okay. So that's just me being reactive then. Okay, cool, I guess. Hola, amigo. Hola, señorita. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás, señor? Oh yeah, Mike. So yeah, it's gonna be fun today on FOMC. And if you think this is too much content, I'm just gonna say a summary at the end here. We are at 13. Have we only been live for 39 minutes? I feel like I've been here for an hour. Maybe I'm tired. Jeez. Also didn't come up to the central I wanted it to come up to, but I guess there was a sell here at 74.5. Euro, there was a sell here at 1600 ish today this morning. 159.98, give or take, something like that. There's your sell. If you're buying, not yet. Pound dollar, not really much to see. It didn't come as high as I wanted, but I guess it is what it is. Pound yen currently hasn't come up to the range I want to come up to, at least at 158 155.80. 155.80, sorry, I didn't say that correctly. New Zealand dollar had a very strong CPI yesterday. That could send this one to the moon, by the way. If dollar weakens, this is going to the moon. And if dollar strengthens, this is going to the bottom. So, we shall see what happens today. Hopefully it's smooth sailing. Click the likes, boys. There you go. There we go. 31 now. Oh, nice. It goes higher. It goes higher. Netcast just rose out of the recent structure. Is it officially bullish? Yes, we'll go through that in a minute. So there is a sell there at 71.50. Just short of that one. That is a pretty good sell point, I would say. Whatever I'm saying is only my personal opinion whatsoever. So do your due diligence. I would also say this is a good buy price for your New Zealand. I would say that's having about to reverse, but that's my opinion there too. Nat Gassy, ooh yeah, boo yeah. That was bullish from yesterday. Okay. So technically, this is the resistance they are looking for, and then they're currently breaking higher. So that is anti-oil. Oil is going lower, sorry, and cool. At least up to 5.8. Oil is currently falling a bit, but coming down to 81. I think someone sold in my group. Good on you. Alex Berg says it still looks like the only 3 people liked. Is there only 3 people liking this stream today? Oh my lordy. Oh my lord. The other one, maybe go to my channel. Is that something to do? Manage videos. Can I do that without showing everyone my, not my chi-chis, but my, this one? Does this work? We have currently 4,880 subscribers to this channel. Thank you very much. Every single one of you beautiful people. I almost clicked out TradingView. Jesus, help me. Anyways, so oil is in a range. I don't really care too much about it. I really wanted to go higher, so I really don't see that at the moment. And I'm said it is pausing. So yeah, maybe I would probably make it a lower low, like something like that before buying again, or a higher high here. Are we going to 90? Oh yeah. 5K soon. Yeah, soon, Alex. I see 33 likes. Hit the like button on my way in. No, we need more than 5,000. Okay. You guys do you. I'm just trying to make you love me more than anything else, more than your wife. That was a joke. Oh, okay. I thought we were like breaking news here, but it wasn't breaking news on gold. But yeah, my target on gold is 1680, 1670, 1680. So that is probably where I want this to go in the end. I think that is a good place to look for targets if this goes really to the south. But are you adding sells now? I don't know. And if you are my homeboy and you sell gold, please get out of there. If you get a lot of profits, and you should have done that, you know just as good as me, if this one now tonight goes up there instead, then you're dead. Okay? Cool. But yeah. Oh, there's a Telegram thing I wanted to respond to. Who was that? That is that was from yesterday, I think it is. Yes, sir. I think I spelled that right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, with an extra apostrophe. Okay, cool. So, what is there for you to understand from me today it is today. It's not a news event. Well, it's a news event, but it's a potential policy change. That is the biggest thing. That we can see in the forex market is a change in policy. Not just a gradual change, but a specific day of change. So, yeah, short. Other than that, people, have a lovely day. Let's come back for the whatever it is tonight at FOMC. That is I think it's my 9 o'clock. But I need to double check that tonight. Loading, that is ISM services coming out in a minute. I don't care too much. But it says here at 1800. That is in London time. And that is +3 from me. So, yeah, 9. So, half an hour before, you will get notified if you are in my Discord channel, if you are in my Telegram channel. If you are anywhere near those channels, you should get notified. You should not be left out. And if you don't know, 21, that is Kenyan time. It is 16:53 at the moment. So, that is where the statement is going to be released. Then 30 minutes later, we're going to look into the press conference. And then I'm going to give you my 2 cents on it. And I'm going to hold you. And I don't know if I'm going to trade it per se. But maybe a scalp. See you at the FOMC.